This week on Safe Haven Television, we are featuring 5 awesome dogs looking for a special place to call home.
Peyton is our Shepherd mix puppy. She is 4 to 5 months old. She will weigh about 60 pounds when she's full grown. She is just very sweet, quiet, intelligent, loves everybody. What a great family member to add to your home. Loki is a 45-pound Australian Shepherd mix. 9 months old. Crate trained, house trained. Great with kids, cats, and other dogs. Bone. He is our 8-pound Chihuahua. He's about 4 years old. He likes to be with older people. We would not recommend him for children under 12 or teenagers. He loves to sit on your lap, go for walks, and just hang out with you in the house or ride in the car. Rocco, the great family dog. He's part Mastiff and Lab. He's about 8 months old. House trained, crate trained. Great with cats, kids, and other dogs. He would make an excellent family member. Roscoe, he's an English Bulldog Boxer mix. He's 7 years old. He should weigh about 45 pounds. He needs a diet. He is our traveling man. He's 7. He is friendly to everybody, real couch potato. If you like slow walks and rides in the car, he's the guy for you.
For more information about Safe Haven, whether it's for adopting or fostering any of our dogs, please give us a call at area code 941-301-4875. Let's all have a tail wagging day.